You know what? I know there's a lot of cars in here. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. I don't know who's older, him or the car. This thing got side pipes, so don't stand on the side of it. I learned that last year when I got black soot all over me. Okay. Easy, get it. Don't listen. Listen. Nice and cold. 3 reps.
That's the sickest body could I ever seen on a cigarette.
3. You ready? I didn't think so. All right. So what do you want to do? Drive around the freaking block 1 or 2 times? You ready?